white lightning up, watch it bubble up till the bubbles go away. Well, I'm drinking white lightning and smoking a little bit of weed. Well, the white lightning makes my eyes bug out. It's so damn good that my tongue slides my forehead. Well, I'm drinking white lightning and smoking a little bit of weed. Well, that white lightning tastes real good to me, and I'm not even running down in a holler you see. Drinking white lightning and smoking a little bit of weed. Yeah, I'm drinking a little bit of white lightning and smoking a little bit of weed. Getting drunk and high, it's alright on me. So I'm drinking a little bit of white lightning and smoking a little bit of weed. Well, that white lightning makes your tongue slap your forehead, don't you see? 'Cause that white lightning is so damn good, if you know what I mean. I'm drinking white lightning and smoking a little bit of weed. Yeah, I'm drinking a little bit of that white lightning and smoking a little bit of weed. Yeah, I'm drinking a little bit of white lightning and smoking a little bit of weed. Well, that white lightning is so good to me. It makes my eyes bug out, make funny faces every now and then. It makes my tongue slap my forehead. Well, I'm drinking white lightning and smoking a little bit of weed. Well, I'm drinking white lightning and smoking a little bit of weed. Well, I'm drinking white lightning and smoking a little bit of weed. Yeah, drinking white lightning and smoking a little bit of weed. Yeah, drinking white lightning and smoking a little bit of weed. Yeah, drinking a little bit of white lightning and smoking a little bit of weed. Yeah, drinking a little bit of white lightning and smoking just a little bit of weed. Well, white lightning's got a little different drug. If you drink it too fast, it'll creep on you, son. You better watch out, 'cause I'm drinking white lightning and smoking a little bit of weed. Yeah, drinking a white lightning and smoking a